Scipio, are you playing drop the object on the floor? What are you doing with that bell? Huh? What are you doing? Look at that. I think I'll watch you. Oh, Scipio, look what you did. You dropped it on the floor. Now I gotta pick it up. Look at this. I'm gonna go right down here, pick this up, and I'm gonna put it right back. Now don't drop it. There. It's right back there. Yeah, you're watching me, aren't you? All right. You're on the video camera. I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna sit right down here and watch what you're gonna do. Are you going to drop that bell on the floor again? Huh? What are you going to do, Scipio? Huh? You know I'm taking a picture of you, don't you? You want to say something to the camera? Hello? Say something. Hello? I want you to talk. You don't say anything, right? Look at those nice yellow eyes. Yeah, you got yellow eyes, huh? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go over here. Right over here. Right over here and watch. What are you doing now? Scipio, are you going to drop that on the floor? Oh, Scipio, that isn't nice.